I'm Batman. Hello and welcome to another episode of Live Game Coding. Let me just put Batman down. Just a quick cameo there, just being daft. Hope you're all having a good evening. My name is Kirk-Robinson and this is GameHammer Live Game Coding. We're doing at the moment an Amstrad CPC game, a retro game, coded on an emulator, but it will work on real, genuine Amstrad hardware when it's all finished. Now, it's going to be a platformer. I've been doing this for a couple of weeks now. Most of it is going to be essentially done in terms of planning of how it will work. So let's just get on and get into it. So you have to excuse me with the sniffles, and if I sound a bit slower and more tired than normal. I have been up since about 2 o'clock this morning because that's just how I am. And I've also just had my booster vaccine, so it's one of those things. So according to the conspiracy theorists, now not only am I a 5G mast, but I'm also a Wi-Fi hotspot. So there you go, superpowers. Hello to Sir Patrick Furlong, hope you're doing well. And Sir Patrick says, thankfully my right eye is clearing up after a blood vessel burst on Saturday. What? Dude, get well soon. Oh my goodness. That's not good news. We need you to be in one piece, and I don't mean one piece separated over several locations. So let's get straight into the game. We've got here the Amstrad running on Retro Virtual Machine 2 today. Let's go for AGD. That's the arcade game developer or designer. I can't remember which. Designer. Arcade game designer. So this program does the absolute heavy lifting when it comes to game design, and it leaves us with 22K of memory to play with. It's a great program. You can download it from Jonathan Caldwell's site, and I am going to insert into this disk drive Roland Goes Rescuing 2. Make sure that it's not write protected because we will be needing to deal with that. And now we're going to press the L button for load game. So, load game. Test game. That is not our game. Oh, please tell me this is not going wrong. Please tell me this is not going wrong. Roland Goes Rescuing. Eject. Insert. Desktop. Roland Rescue 2. It should be okay. It should be working. Press L to load the game. Oh no, this is not good news. Okay, reset the computer. Let's have a look at what's on the disk. Run game. But the game's here, and this is what we were working on, so I don't know what's going wrong. Here's Roland Goes Rescuing. It works. We can pick up all the stuff that we need to. So don't know what's wrong. Everything's working. I mean, we've still got to get the sound in, but there we are. Roland is able to wander around. So I'm not sure why there was an issue there. Doink. 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 Jump. No. Jump up. This is the tricky one, isn't it? You've got to be pixel perfect because that's the kind of old retro game this is. Oh, so if that's working, why isn't the arcade game developer letting me load it? Eject the disk, insert from Sakura, arcade game designer software, AGD. We're in AGD. Let's load it up again. We have technical issues every single week, don't we, for these things? But that's just how these things are. Yeah, looks like we've had the glitch in the stream, says Patrick. Yeah, it does seem like that, doesn't it? Right, eject, insert, Roland Rescue 2. Load game. It hasn't even tried. It's not trying to load. Hello to Frozen Well. It's not loading the game. What's going on here? Oh my goodness. I don't get it. What's going wrong with this? Stick it in the other one. It's not loading. It doesn't want to load the game. I don't get it. Explore the disk. Game.bin. I don't understand why this isn't working. Select game.bin. Select game.bin. Extract. Can we extract that? We'll stick it down as a different one. Okay. Game.bin is now there just as a separate disk. Eject. Eject. Just insert game.bin. That's weird. I've just extracted it from there. And it's just sat there as a different file. That's weird. I hadn't quite realised we could do that. Load the game. Why isn't it? Reset the computer. Powered off, powered back on. I am not sure what's going on here. This isn't a... Cancel. I don't need to add any cartridges. It should just work. It was working last time. We go to the main window. Can we add another machine? Let's try doing another machine. Create machine. Let's have a CPC. We'll go for a 6128 again, because that's what we've been using. Standard English 6128. We're going to call it Roland. Which one is it? This one? If in doubt, switch it off and on. Yeah, pretty much. Right, that's on. That's on. That's not the one we wanted. So close that down. This is the new one, yes. Appears to be the new one. Right. So get rid of the other one. Bring this up. Turn it on. Right. Insert a disk. Roland goes rescuing. Catalog. Yeah. Run disk. Because I created a thing for the start. GameHammer presents Roland Goes Rescuing 2, joystick only. Guide Roland through a maze of hazards built by the naughty goblins who invaded Santa's workshop. Can you collect all the gifts and save Christmas? And that loads the actual game. This is just a placeholder thing for the start. Oh my goodness, I've got all the weird effects on. This is not what I wanted. Where's my screen issues? CRT. No, we just want standard LCD, thank you. So that it looks nice. So let's see if we can get this to work. Hello to Anfield Road, how you doing? So here we are with this, and it... Hello Iron Horse, popping in for 5 minutes to say hello. Got stock to take at work tomorrow, so early to bed. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. So the game works. The game is here and it works. So let's reset the machine. Eject that. Insert again from Sakura. AGDCPC. Load it in. Catalog. Run. AGD. Hello to Zach, how you doing? I'm very well, thank you. Hope you are too. Load the game. That did nothing again. It's not accessing the disk. I don't know why it's not accessing the disk. It didn't even try to access the disk. Desktop. Roland Goes Rescuing. Test the game. That's the standard one that comes with it. Load the game. Right, that worked. I don't know what was going on. I don't know what was happening there. But it seems like it's loaded this time. So we're doing okay now. We've got the game. And once again, we can go through all of this. We've got the majority of what we want done. We have no sounds, but we will get those in. I think we might do that today, actually. Doomph. And we'll have two. We need two sounds. One for picking up the parcels, the presents even, and one for. Patrick says, "Did you press the wrong key?" You know what? I don't know. I pressed Y for yes for that one to load the game. So I hope I pressed it last time. F sounds. Let's go and do this. So what's this sound that we've got? We need to get our information, don't we? So where is my information on sounds? What is this on the floor? Oh, it's something from Jenny's stuff. I have a compliment slip from Rails of Sheffield on the floor. That's definitely something Jenny has dumped in my office. So let's have a look and see what we got. Sakura, Arcade Game Designer, CPC, and here is the PDF. This is the one that we need with the information. So anyway, we're working out now and it all seems to work. So that's good news and I'm happy. Let's bring this up here so we can see what's going on. And you guys can see what I'm seeing too. So we need to find the bit about the sounds. Where is the sound? Sprites. Roland delivered my present a few days ago. Thanks. I'm glad, Patrick. I'm glad you got it, and I'm happy that you like it. Well, I hope you like it. I think it's what you were talking about, isn't it? So hopefully that was alright. Right. H to hear, present sound, previous sound, next sound, create new sound, or delete sound. Move around the values with the cursor keys, increasing and decreasing with 1 and 2. Space or 0 will toggle the sound on or off. Okay, so let's have a look at sounds. Let's hear the present sound. Where's the button? There it is. Where's the Jenny Kirk logo monster from last time? It will be there, don't worry. Well, that sounds like a wet fart. How high can I get? Right, that goes up to about 16, doesn't it? Oh. Now we're getting somewhere. That sounds like a... Right, this is starting to sound a lot like the type of thing that we would want. Right, sound 0. That sounds great. That's the type of thing we want with a collision. So events, sprite type 1. Okay. Sound 0. And then kill. Sprite type 2. That doesn't do anything. Oh, it does. Okay, that's not what we need because we don't use in type 2. Sound 0. Let's see how this goes. Ah, Patrick says the thing I sent is perfect. Excellent, that's what I like to hear. Type 4. Collision 0. Sound 0. Sprite type 5. Sound 0. No, don't press enter. And I don't think I've used 6 or 7. Oh, we do, apparently. Sound 0. And 7, just in case. That's got nothing in it. Right. Let's see how that works. Test it. Einhorst says, this reminds me of sound test options for an old video games where you played certain sounds in certain orders to get cheats. Yeah, something like that. Right, let's see what happens. There. Although, apparently it plays that sound after the Right. I'm not sure that should happen, so we might have to do something about turning the sound off at the end. Hello, James Pets. How you doing? I'm going to try that again just to see if that happens again. Yeah. Okay. That's not supposed to happen, so we need something about events. Kill player. How do I turn sounds off? Is there an option, a code, to stop the sounds? Doesn't look like there is there? Sound one. What's remove? What's remove? Oh, remove is to remove something from the thing, isn't it? So there's not really anything we can. It's delay. Can you change the order or delay? You'd have thought so, wouldn't you? But I don't think we can. Hello, James Pets. How you doing? Well, thank you. And how's life? And so I'm doing all right, thank you. Yeah, I don't think there is. I don't think there's a way to stop. Yeah, removes from present table. There's no way to stop a sound. That's not a good thing. If we're going to end up with a sound like that at the end, that's not what I want. Although I suppose if I actually wanted to stop... Why am I pressing escape? If I suppose if I wanted to do that, and go back to this, and go back to this, sounds. F is sounds. If I create a new sound, and it's just that, then if I play sound 3, what's sound 2? If I play sound 3 as a kill player event, sound 3, that should stop. That should stop it. Because it's basically playing nothing. Let's try that. Matt Myers says, what's this game called? This is Roland Goes Rescuing 2. And no, it doesn't. Right, that's not good news. I don't want it to be doing that. I don't want that at all. That's just restart screen. No, events, This is upsetting me because I don't want that. Maybe we could have a boing jump sound. Yeah, I'd like that. That would be nice. F sounds. I want another sound, yeah. What's this one? I'm going to turn all these to 15, see what happens. The sound engine on this is... Yeah, this is not good. I am not enjoying this. It's this kind of weirdness. I understand why it's like this, because this is Amstrad sounds just as they are. This is just how Amstrad sounds are. I'm going to turn everything off. Ironhorse says, can you not format this? Play sound on contact or collision with player, then tell it to kill the player. That's exactly what I've done. It's playing the sound, then it's killing the player, and it's still doing the kill, then the sound. Not sure what's happening there. It's just, you know. So we've got no sound at the moment. And I don't like this. It's not a good sound. Yeah, James says when this hardware was current, games would have been made by coding everything from scratch. It would, and it would have been awful then as well. Oh, now we're getting something. I want high tones as well. Really high tones. How can I get high tones? I can't change. Oh, I've got to scroll everything. Oh my goodness. Can't I just type the numbers in? Play sound, wait X amount, then respawn. I'll try that, Iron Horse. I'll try and see what happens. This is horrible. This is really horrible. Oh, to it. I don't like it. I don't like the sounds. We'll sort that out later. That is awful. Seriously awful. Right, delay. Pauses for the duration specified. Okay. Let's try that as the code for the events. See if this will work. E for events. Go to sprite type 1. And down. Yeah, the sounds aren't good at all. The Amstrad has an excellent sound chip. A lot of people deride it, but it's excellent. It's pretty much the one that's in the Atari ST. That's how good it is. It went into 16-bit systems. This, however, is essentially ported from the Spectrum, which had a bleeper. In order to keep some compatibility with the Spectrum, it's clearly keeping the bleeper sounds, and that's the issue. So let's go to 4. Is that what I've just done? Yeah, delay 5. Delay. I'm just putting a delay of 1 in, so hopefully that will work. Delay 1. 6. Do we have anything in 6? Yes, we do. Delay 1. And 7. I don't think there's anything in 7. No, there isn't. Right. Let's go back. Try that. Well, that's better. It's now, at least... That's a weird noise. Is 1 equal to 1 full second? It doesn't seem to be. Well, at least it's that. Okay, it's working. So we'll just leave it like that. I would prefer a nice high-pitched bling for picking up the stuff, but I'm not scrolling through all of that sound just to make it go high. Can you imagine that? That would be terrible. So let's save the game as we've got it. Wait a minute. I think I need to make this not write protected. Yeah, not write protected. So, save game. Press key to save. Were things compiled for the BBC? Oh, absolutely. If you wanted anything to run fast, you had to compile into machine code. Change wait time to 5 just to see, says Ironhouse. Alright, let's change, let's say 3, 4, and 5, because I'm pretty sure they're the ones we use. I believe this is like fractions of a second. Right, I'll do the others as well. No, 3, 4, and 5 are one that we use. Yeah, it's fractions of a second. That's definitely not pausing for 1 second. Right, to stop that sound, I am going to go through everything. And I'm going to have it play sound 3 afterward. Just to, because sound 3 is like blank. So, delay 3, sound 3. Have I seen Bandersnatch as Ironhorse? I have not only seen Bandersnatch, I got every star from 0 to 5. Hi, Mickey and Janie, how you doing? I was playing that thing for hours. I loved it. It was great. And it kind of inspired me to try my own. I am going to attempt for episode 100 of GameHammer a choose your own adventure. So you heard it here first. I'm working on it now. I'm about 16 episodes away from it, so it's going to be a while before you see it. But yeah, I am attempting a choose your own adventure. It's going to be a lot of fun. Whether it works or not is another matter. Whether YouTube screw me over again or something like that. So let's see how this works. So hopefully this will work. G to save. Why have it? No, don't. Game perp. What are you doing to me? What's going on? Save. Play. Okay, this hasn't changed. But hopefully, when I die... Nope, it's still doing that. It appears to be a bug. Hopefully, when it's actually running on genuine hardware, that won't happen, because that's a bit annoying. So let's go through and see how we play the game and go through it. So, pick up that, and it gives no sound because we haven't got any sound yet. Right, there's our first two, including the pudding bonus. There's our dude. And another dude. So we've got all the things now. Boink. And... Jump across here. Grab that. Need to be right. And yeah. Oh, I hit the dude. I am not good at my own game. Oh! It still after he respawns, says Ironhorse. That's a shame. I'll work something out. I don't know what's going on. Oh. It kind of works from my point of view. The way I'm hearing it, the sound seems to be coming at the right time. Oh, I got hit by the dude. Right, so let's grab those. Come down here. See you later, Iron Horse. Hope you have a good day tomorrow. Right, so we've got those. Ah. Jump and boink. There's the Jenny Kirk logo on legs. I do like that. That's a lot of fun. So I'm going to wait for that to go across. Boink. And... Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh, we've got to do that screen. I need to know that we can do that screen. I need to know. I must know. Oh, I almost got the thing there. Right, we've got to do this. So I've got to time it right. Oh, come on. Yes, up. Right, wait. And boing. And up. And across. And across again. Yes, we can do it. So we can get all of these toys without losing a life. Because look at here. I am going across without losing a life. Got all the presents except for these two on this screen. So now... Oh! I know that we can get them now. So there we go. So we know this works. Let's just get on with more of the game, I think. Oh, let's do it. So, we need a new screen. Where is screen? Screen layout. C. Is it next? Yes. Right, so this is... Where's screen one? This is screen one. I'll take a quick picture. Bring that up. Now, if I grab that and just have that, save, then I should be able to work out from this where I need to place the various things. Create new screen. Okay, let's bring up that again. So I need this to be that wide there. No, zoom in. Where's my zoom? Yeah, is that about right? Oh, for goodness sake, stop messing with me, machine. What are you doing to me? You're making me cry now, machine. This is not fair. Right, that's about right. So I'm going to place this down here, because now we know where the edges are. No, we don't. When this is done, I'm going to load it on our M4. That would be great, yeah. I need that there, basically. I need to know where that is at all times. Yes. So, we need to start from the top. Go right across. Am I one across from... No, that is right on the edge. So, that is where it comes in. And down from one. That is where the other set of blocks come in. So that is what's above. That's what we know. So we also know that there's a wall. There's a bit of wall about where? One more across. 1, 2, 3. Right, so that would be 1, 2, 3. That's what we've got coming in from the above. So now we know that... hello, Yellow Belly. So now we know that when you drop through the floor in room 1, you will come into here, because that's what we're doing. So we're going to need a platform of some sort to break the fall. Hello, Jenny. How are you doing?
I'm alright. Hello, everyone. How is everybody?
They're doing fine. How are you?
I'm pretty good, thanks. Oh, Iron Horse Railways.
Yeah, I've got some of your guys in.
Yeah, they've come over from... I was just on the stream with Ollie at Wardle Road, so I've just come off from that. We had a really good chat. It was good fun.
I know, I could hear it.
I'm sorry, I know I do talk loud.
You don't talk, you shout as if you don't have a microphone and the other guy has to hear you.
You've got to remember that I used to do all sorts of live gigs and public speaking.
Yes, you did.
Can't help it.
I didn't say you could help it, I'm just taking the piss.
What I should probably do is turn up the volume in my headphones.
That won't help you.
Yeah. So to everybody on this stream, I hope you enjoyed the other stream you could hear. I'm going to pinch the Coke. See you later.
There's more in the fridge, you know.
Hey?
There's another bottle in the fridge.
How?
Because I went out and got one while you were on the stream, and you were so loud you couldn't tell.
Zoe?
Mm-hmm.
Care to explain?
Explain what?
Why the Dark Knight is watching you.
He's been there for 2 weeks, Jen. And all he needs to say is... We think alike.
Where did you get him?
I found him in a charity shop and I thought, he's coming home with me.
How much?
A couple of quid. Not bad, eh? For a giant statue of Batman.
Zoe is incorrigible, people. So this room is slowly filling up with her nerd tat.
Well, at least it's not slowly filling up with my nerd musk. Yeah, the amount of space that I've got in here is kind of limiting down and down and down. So, she's gone. So that's how it is. And all over here is just shelves now. I've got shelves with drawers in and it's great. But Jen thinks that I'm kind of filling the room, and to be honest, she's right. But I'm filling it with stuff that I use on the streams. So, you know, that's just how it is. Patrick says, Jenny, you should get the bottom kicking machine ready. Thankfully, she's gone. Right, what was I drawing this here for? James Pett says, I think you're both equally encourageable, just on different subjects. I agree with that. That is true. Basically, what am I doing here? I'm building something that looks a bit like a tree, and it's made out of ladders. Why am I doing this? Because it's going to look weird, and that's kind of what we want for this. Nerd tat is pretty much what Janie thinks of my stuff. At least they allow us to have our fun. Let's put it that way. And I'm going to do that as well, because that is our tree that we've now got. It's a weird tree, but it will work. So that's... I want to make something that looks weird. Patrick says you were building a replica. I don't need another Jenny. I've got a Jenny. If I had another one, that would just be scary. So this is the floor anyway. And it's a bit weird, but it will work. So now we need a lot of death blocks. Put some death blocks. Yes. And let's have a wall. Bit of wall. So you can't really fall in certain parts. I am now going to bring that down there. And one there and one there. So this is going to be quite difficult for people, and that's the point. So we've now got a room. That's going to be the basic of the room, and it's going to have monsters. So let's leave that. And sprite positions. Yellow belly, I have a whole nerd tat room. It's the best way. It is the absolute best way. Create a sprite. We want... Where would a person start in here? Well, they would start there. Yes. That's type 0, yes. Create another one. And... where's the image? That's what we want. And create another one. Yes. Where's my image? There it is. And he wants to be type 4, I think. Create another one. Yes. Image. And that's also type 4. Right, so that should work. And then as a final one, because this is a hard room, create another sprite. And that is going to be another one of the Goblin Gremlin guys. 3. Okay, let's see if that works. Now we need the map. And that goes there. There we go. Save. There we go. So, test the game. Okay, let's do this. Hopefully we'll land in the right place and we won't get attacked straight away. And hopefully I've got the types right for the guys. Oh! Oh, that's interesting. Can't go down. It doesn't count as down. That's interesting. Okay, map. It's set there. Why can't we go down? That's set in the right position. Everything is right. Set as a start. We need to test the room. Okay, they're not going the right way. I've got the things the wrong way around. So that's exactly what I needed to have a look at. Sprite positions N. So type 3 should be type 4. Type 4 should be 3. Type 3 should be type 4. There we go. Try that again. Oh, well, that's not good. That is definitely not right. Immediately, this guy here goes straight up and will kill us. Need an if statement with screen down command. Yeah, I think I do. Okay, that's not... Wow! Events. No. Sprite positions N. Start him down there. And he is not supposed to be able to get through. So, screen layouts. Got to solve this immediately because that is wrong, basically. There, I don't want him going through there. Try that again. There we go. Right. So, yes, we need the events with the if statements. Player control. Yeah, I need to go. Okay, where's the sprite up? Okay. Change to wall blocks. Yeah, that's what I've done. Okay, if x greater than... I'm not sure what the greater than is. And it's going to be something stupid like 20 odd, isn't it? Let's say 26. Screen up. Let x equals 2. And if. And this one should be, yeah. If x less than 2, screen down, let x equal 25. No, 26. And if. I think that'll do it. No, it won't. So what's wrong with that? Did x go out of the boundaries? Okay, let's have a look at what the thing says about x and y coordinates. Where are they? Coordinates of the current sprite. Screen size, where's screen size? Window area. Don't know what it is. That's very annoying. I think what's wrong with that? Screen up and screen, it should work. What's wrong with this? I don't... This is annoying. Oh. Less than or equals. Would that work? Okay. No, I don't want that. I don't get it. This should work. Screen up and screen down. That should work. Those are the valid commands, aren't they? Those are the valid commands. Screen up, yeah. Screen commands up, down, left, right, one screen if possible. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's not the right button. So what's wrong with this? Hello, Jenny. It really doesn't like this, so it's not going to let me do it. Is it because it's outside of the amount? Nope, it's still not letting me do it. So it really doesn't like this. It really doesn't like it. What am I missing from the other one? There is nothing that I can see from this. Oh, maybe it wants an else. The game engine seems inscrutable. Yeah, the game engine is basically written by someone who knows what this game engine is going to do. And that's a bit annoying at times. Else and then end if. Let's try this. Nested end ifs. Still nothing. What's wrong? Oh my goodness. There's nothing wrong as far as I can see. And that's what's really annoying, because it's like, surely it should be obvious. And that's the worst part. But what's really, really annoying to me is if I go down, we've got the y coordinate. If y greater than 112, but y is the left and right. So I'm having to use x to go up and down. And as a mathematician, that's not good for me, because x should be left and right. Oh, this is annoying to me. If deadly, sound 0, delay 3, sound 3, and... Oh, come on, you know that it's right. Oh. Right. Is this outside the screen limits? Is that what this is? Yeah, Mike and Jenny, Y is up and down, X is left and right. Yeah, that's what was drummed into us at school. That's what was drummed into us at university. That's what's drummed into us by maths and physics and all of science. But not with this, because it's the wrong way round, and it really upsets me and I want to cry. More than what's being caused by the fact that we can't get the sounds to work, and this doesn't want to do it. It's not right. Oh. Screen right. If Y, screen right, let Y. So if X, screen thing, let X. What's wrong with that? I don't understand. See this? If Y greater than, then go right, and then let Y equals. So we've got here, if X that, screen down, let X equals that. Oh. Oh. Where's X starting? Is X starting at the top or the bottom? I have a horrible feeling that X is at the top and starts at the top, doesn't it? If X less than 2, screen up. So if I'm like, if X is greater than or equals, if X is greater than, let's say, 26, screen down, then let X equals 2. I have a horrible feeling that we've got it the wrong way round. If X is less than 2, then X equals 26. Else. Still won't let me do it. I don't... So what's wrong? What am I missing? I don't understand. I really, really do not understand this. Something's wrong. It was working before we put the screen up and screen down in. And I don't know why. Screen up and screen down. Move up, down, left or right, one screen if possible. Get... Display, what's display do? Display's numerical value, that's not what we need. Incomprehensible failure to work is one of the most excruciating things. Yes, it's awful, and I don't understand, and that's the worst part. I don't understand. X and Y, sprite parameters. Don't... I'm going to take everything out that we've added and see what happens. If I take all of this out, if I take all of this back out and then go and check what the code is for the screen size, then at least we'll know what's going on. Okay, that's rendered. That was fine. That's acceptable. So, where is it? Window area is W. And it doesn't even tell me anything about it. I don't know what that size is. So, that's like... Is this 0 or 1? Is that bit there? Is that top line 0 or 1? Or is that 0 or 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's 22, I think. But the problem is the Y value is going all the way across here. And that's at like 126. So what am I doing? Oh my goodness. It shouldn't be this hard. It really shouldn't. Test the game. Right. We're now okay with this. He's not going through and causing any problems. All of this is working. He didn't climb that at all. He did not climb that ladder when coming down. That's unfortunate. So, dude, go back up. Yeah, this is brain bending. It's not good. I shouldn't be having this trouble, but here we are. Right, he's fine. And go. Can we go up there? Oh, well, I'm just about to die from him, so let's wait and see. Make sure that this is okay. Go back across. And climb this. Climb! Oh, for goodness sake. Can't climb. Okay, so that's going to work anyway. But I can't go up. And I can't go down. So what is the problem? Events. Player control. If x less than or equal to 1, screen up. Let x equal 20. Let's just say let x equals 20. Else animate, I don't know. And if. And that allowed it. So we should be able to go up. Let's see what happens. What happens if I do this? If I come down to here, what happens? Nothing. So, I don't even know whether that's at the top or the bottom. Player control. It's not equal to 2. It seems to be working now, and I'm not sure why. There's no real difference. If I go up, I can't go up. I can come down. So I think the top must be a higher number. Okay, if the x is greater than or equal to, let's say 26, then x equals 2. That's letting me do that as well. I have not changed. I can't go up. Can't go up at all. So what is this? Cannot go anywhere. But if I come down and then try and climb back up, will this at some point flick me to the next screen? Go up the ladder. Come on, Roland. Go up the ladder. Oh, for goodness sake, Roland. Go up the ladder. You were doing it on the other screen. There you are. Right. See that? That was interesting. Okay, events. Player controls. So we need much higher. Let's say 40. Then x equals... That was interesting. So, test the game. Go up the ladder. Come on. Go up the damn ladder. Oh, for goodness sake, Roland. Go up the damn ladder. Roland, man, come on. I'm going to replace this ladder. It's not working. Go up the bloody ladder. Come on. Wow, it doesn't... It really does not want to... There. Still not there. Still not getting there. Events. Where's events? Okay. Player control. And it's not setting the new position for him either. I'm going to change the X value to there and then screen up. In case that'll work. So I'm going to now change that to 50. If X greater than 50, let X equals 2. And on this one, for down, if X less than 2, let X equals... We'll have to work this one out properly later on. Screen down, else animate end if. That one were right. Here we've got an interesting one. If X is less than 2, it won't let me do that one. So perhaps this is what it is. Screen down. It is screen down, isn't it? That is the code. Screen up and screen down. It must be. Where's the code? Oh, come on. It's gotta be. It's got to be. Where am I missing? Where am I missing? We've got to get this to work. Otherwise, we haven't got... We can only have screen up, screen down. So it's not that. Screen down. Let's do 4. If X is less than 4. Well, that really doesn't like that. It's this screen down that it doesn't like. Nope, it's not letting me do that. So the code is essentially the same. So is this wrong? Is this bit wrong? I don't know. 48. Else animate end if. What is it? What is it about this that it doesn't like? Less than or equal. Okay, let's try less than or equal. Yeah, you're right there, just messing with the bug. Less than or equal to... Let's see that. Right! Okay, it didn't like it because of a less than or equal. We only had less than. Let's try this. Climbs up straight away. Climbs down straight away. Not quite right though, is it? That shouldn't be happening. Because he's not changing where the dude is. So I'm going down. And up. That's... Okay, well... Okay, that's interesting. If I climb up, I'm straight there. So clearly we've got something wrong with the positions. Okay, the Y thing is like 112, and it's fairly square. So I'm going to say Y should be 112. We'll see what that does. 112. X equals 112. Will that work? Because I want to try and make this work. Right. Y equals 4. And where's X? Come on. Let X equals 5. because we don't want it to immediately set off again. Set that. Set. No. Jump back out. Come on. I've done the menu. Save game. Yes. Oh, we've got to make sure this works. This is the biggest annoyance with any form of game design. Making sure that things work. It takes ages. So let's set the map. I want to set the map to our original starting position. Map, original starting position. I press the wrong button. Start there. Start the game. Test. Right. We're just stood here. We're perfectly fine. If I jump over to here and wait for that guy to go past and let me down. He does not go down. That's interesting. So, 4 is too high on the X rate. So, try this again. So, where is X? If X is less than or equal to 4, let's try 2. And X equals 3. Try that. Boink. Boink. Although I have a feeling that it's not going to be, is it? Because look how high up we are from the bottom of the screen. Yeah, that didn't work. Right, I've now got to try and get past this dude, and it's strangely hard. Yeah, we can't go down because we're too high up. So what is that? Like 10? Try that. Player control. Let X equals, let's say, 12. And equal to 10. Try that. We have got to get this working. Sorry guys if you're expecting lots of fun and games. I was expecting lots of fun and games, but if we can't go up and down, then we can't do anything with the game, can we? We just have a flat line. We could have like 8 screens, and that's not much of a game. Come on, let's do this. Let's do this. Come on. Boing. Still not enough. That is interesting. That is very interesting. Events, sports. 22 and less than or equal to 20. Yeah, up down is important, very important. Let's say save game, yes. So glad that I've got my joystick here, otherwise I wouldn't be able to even test this. Jump. Come on. Doing. What is wrong with this? X. No, not X. E. So X is not 20? What is it? 20? I'm going to say 28 because it can't be much higher than that, surely. Shouldn't the screen down be before the second command? What do you mean? Lift ladder below and all that. Screen down. I think it'll be fine. Because it was working when we were just setting it to arbitrary numbers. Let's try this. Oh, for goodness sake. This is ridiculous. Map. Set the map. I want to see what happens when we're in the other room. Come on. Now we're in here. We can't go up. We can't go up at all. But we did just fall, which is interesting. If I go down, what happens if I go up? Come on. Go up the ladder. No point do I end up down. I don't know what's going on there. That was weird. Guys, I have no idea what's going on here. It should give us damn coordinates. What is going on? Go up the damn ladder. So, whoa. Okay, that's interesting. Can we do that again? Or is this just bugged beyond all comprehension? Climb the damn ladder, Roland. Come on. It worked on the other screen and it worked here. Now I can get the top. But he can't jump. He can't jump at the top. I don't understand this. Right. Change the screen layout. We're going to get rid of that. I want rid of the ladder. Right, we're taking the ladder out. Right, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. I think that should work. Try that. What if I go over here and down to here? Right, nothing's happened so far. And the top of the screen is now solid again. So that's... Right, events. I think it... You know what, Yellow Belly? You might be right that the screen up and screen down should be before the if check on the ladder. So, if x greater than 112, I don't even know. Let x equal 20. Screen up and if. Take all of this out. Because it's got to be... Right. And down if x less than or equal to... We think it's 28. We don't even know. Screen down. Let x equals 112. I don't even know. And if. Get rid of all of that. Oh my goodness. The things we do to try and make a nice game for people to enjoy at Christmas. Once this is done, I'll be able to look back on this and not have to do it again because we'll just know. So it's really important. Right, that's saved. That's compiled even. Save. Right. Jump, can't jump, can't go up at all. That's not good news. Which tells me that the top is wrong. And it's not what we wanted, so... He's not even jumping. Jump! He's set. Oh, he is. He's hitting the top, and he can't go up. He can't jump. The top is solid. So there's that. Boink, boink. Yeah, that's interesting. Might be worth displaying an X value on... Oh, yeah! We can do that, can't we? We can do that. It's just the display command, isn't it? Where is it? Display. I think it's just display. Where is it? Display. Yeah, display. Displays numeric value the variable or parameter that follows. For example, display lives. Okay. Right. Leave. And events. Main loop 1. Let line equals 23. Display. Let column equals 1. Display x. Let column equals 6. Display y. Oh my goodness, it is. Look at that. 10 is the top. No, 8 is the top. It's counting down the screen. It's starting from the top. No wonder nothing's working. X is now 32. Now X is 82. That's just ridiculous. Now X is 32 again. Right, let's go to map again, because that didn't make sense, the way it was changing the Y coordinate all the time like that. Okay, start again. This is not right. This is not right at all. I don't get what's going on. Events. Player control. No, don't go for that. Don't go for that! What is going on with this thing? Main loop 1. Okay. Let line equals... Let's go for 22. And let column equals, I don't know, 16. Display X. Let line equals 22. Let column equals 20. Display Y. So now let's see if that works over there. Try that. Nothing is making sense. I just don't. Events. Right, I'm just going to take game mainly 1. Display X. Display Y. I'm taking out the lives and the other stuff. Just take all that out. We'll put... Oh, I really wish I knew what was going on with this. It's just so annoying. This is aggravating. It doesn't know where we are. Look at that. The X is now 844. Even though... What? I just went up a... I immediately go up the ladder and land there. But the X and Y, we managed to get X and Y. We managed to get the Y coordinates right, so that at least works. But look, if I climb up here, then I immediately hit and go there. So 10 is that. 10's at the top. Oh my goodness. This is it. This is just... Events. Player control. So if 10's at the top, then no wonder this isn't working. So X, if X is... So to go down, if X is less than or equal to 2, that's what that needs to be. Then it goes screen up. So if X is greater than what would it be? 112 is partway down, so let's say 160. Let's just guess. That's what we're doing at the moment. We're guessing 160. Then let X equals, let's say 3. 158. Let's see what happens. It's going to let me process it. I am frustrated, let's put it that way. So if I can climb this now. Okay. I can now climb that. Let's see what happens over here. Boing. I walk into the guy because I am not good enough in my own game.
Attic monster incoming.
See this? This is frustrating.
Is your game not working?
No.
Aww.
Go to the map and jump to here. Can we get the guy to jump into the next screen? Nope, he still can't go up. He can't jump up. So, we still do not have an up. He cannot jump. I can get right to the top of the screen and he can't jump. I go right the way down to the bottom of the screen and nothing happens. So, we are now outside the boundaries of the game, which does not work. This is unfortunate. But we know that we've got the right things because we've done that there. He can't jump. He can't go up and down. We cannot have a game unless he goes up and down. This is so annoying. Oh my goodness. But we know that it's not working, so we must be outside the parameters. So what is it? So let's have a look. And events. Let's try. We're just going to have to do a process of elimination less than or equal to, let's say, 4. And let's see how that works. And that x must be too high, so let's do 128. I'm sorry if this seems annoying to people, but we have to get this right, otherwise the game cannot progress. And I'll keep saying that because there will be people that jump in and don't know what's going on. Right, he can't jump. Okay. Well, he's hitting his head on the top. He can't jump up there. He can climb up to there, but he can't. So coming down to here isn't doing anything, and going back up that didn't do anything. So let's see. We're not hitting on anything else, nothing else. So this is not changing. So we're still outside the things. It's still outside the boundaries. Player control. Okay, let's say 8. And that would have to become 10 then, wouldn't it? And that's still wrong, so 112. Actually, we don't know that. We don't know because we can't go down. So let's test the up. He can't jump. We know he can't jump. So let's leave that and change the map and see what the down is. See whether down works. Right, let's see if we can drop down. Come on, we've got to be able to drop down. Doink, thump. Nope, can't jump. Can't go down. Can't go down. But can jump. Can we jump at the... No, still can't jump either. But at least we're not on causing any problems on the screen. We are able to climb around the entire thing and nothing's happening. We're not going up and down. Right. So what is... 10? Is it 10? Let him in, and 12. I'm going to drop that to 112. I don't think it's going to be that. But I'm kind of trying to line it up with what's on the other one. Hopefully this will work. Screen is 112. It's letting us do it. At least it's letting us compile it this time. See if this works. Boink. Down. Nothing. Nothing at all. Going everywhere on the screen, and at no point am I flipping to somewhere else, so we still haven't got anything. Events. X is less than... Let's try 16. Try that. Try that. X. What point do we switch round? Come on. Still going up and still hitting the roof. So go up, come on, climb the ladder. Whoa! There. Right. Okay. We did something there. We did something. So we're now too low down. That's interesting. Can he only climb up if there's a ladder? That can't be right, surely. Go up the damn ladder. Go up the ladder. Yeah, right, we've gone too far. Excellent. At least we now know. So I think it's actually 12. Try that. If he can only go up with a ladder, that's a bit annoying, but we can work with it. Come on, go. Oh, for goodness sake, get up there. Don't die. Get up there. Get up there. Get up there. Right, we can jump straight up to the top, and that's not causing any trouble. But we could jump up straight to the top before, and it wasn't causing any trouble either. So, go up the ladder. Yeah, immediately he's hitting there. That's not what we want. Events. Player control. Why is it doing that? So, X is less than... Exit. X to test the game. Climb up. For goodness sake, I'm not good at my own game. I'm not happy about this only working with the ladders so far, but at least we know that something is working. Right, you got to the top without dying horribly there. That's good news. Go climb a damn ladder, Roland. What are you doing to me? Oh my goodness. Jump and across. Climb up that. And then he gets to the top and hits onto that and jumps to there. That's not where he should be. That is not where he should be at all. If that's 112, then we should be dropping down to the next level just by getting to here. Well, that's not good. Right, that's... Okay, screen layout, C. So if I need to put a ladder in... Let's try that. Okay. Be interesting if this does work, though. Okay, and map. Does that mean we can get to the next thing just by climbing up? X. Go up the ladder. Don't make bleepy bleepy noises. Go up the ladder. Roland! Roland, climb up the ladder! Wow! Come on! Climb up the ladder! Get up the damn ladder, Roland! Climb it! Oh my goodness! Oh, Frozen Well, don't get me started on whether it should be X or Y. It doesn't like it. Yes! It works! He can only climb up the ladder to get up and down between places. Yes, it should be Y for going up and down, not X. However, this game uses Y for the X coordinate and X for the Y coordinate because... Don't ask me why. I don't know why, but it's just that. But at least we're getting somewhere now. Okay, so we've now got that. Does that mean that we have to have... So I need one there, and... Okay. So let's hope that this works. Okay. Events. So we end up going up, we let x equals that, and that's too high up. So I think it's 128, but I'm not sure. So let's say 126. Save the game. Test. Go up, go up, go up the damn Roland. Up. Too high. We're too high. I end up stuck. So that's too high. So what is it? 130 odd? That's interesting. We seem to have higher. Let's say 132. And that becomes 130. Where do I then place? That is interesting. X. Now I'm stuck. So I'm not far enough up. Okay, that's interesting. Definitely interesting. So, screen layouts. This is not right. This is not letting me do what I want. So, let's blank that, blank that, blank. Go another one. Blank that. Let's see if we can sort this out. Okay. I'm going to put another ladder here. Try that. And let's go back, previous screen. No, next. Go down to here. We're going to have two ladders side by side. Let's see if that works. Test the game. Climb the ladder. Oh, for goodness sake, Roland, just climb the damn ladder. Getting there. 140. He almost did it. He almost did it. Events, player control. So, 130 even. Let's go 138. No, let's go 134. And if x is bigger than 138, then x equals 5. Let's see if we can get them to stop going too far up. Almost. Can I climb down now? Come on. And down. It's working! Right, we're getting there. Getting there. I think we've almost got it. I'm not sure how we can blank the screen to get rid of all that crap, though. Yes, it's working. Right, I've got bits that are stuck on the edges. And he appears to be arriving in the correct position. No, he's not. He's coming in too high. Events, he's coming in too high. He's too high up when he comes in. 138 and 140. Try that. Climb up. He's still coming in at the top of the ladder. I'm not happy about him coming in at the top of the ladder. But we can... But he arrives at the right point. When he's coming down, he arrives at the right point. That's good. That's good news. So, coming down, he comes in at the right position. Watch this. Doof. And I need to move that guy across because he's killing us immediately. So, let's try that. Sprite Positions N for the first... Right, let's try that. Test the game. If I climb up, then we shouldn't die straight away because that guy's not there. See, he's there. He's right there straight at the start. This is a toughie. Right, that goes down and he's in the right position. That's good. So, comes up and he's still not quite right. So I need to work that out. Events, player control. 140. That might work. No, stop moving the gamepad. Ah. Right, climb up. It kind of works. But events, almost there. I think that should be 144. Try that. If we get this right, then it's perfect. I think that's about right. Guys, what do you think? That looks alright now, doesn't it? I need to move the JK symbol across a bit, though. Right, Sprite Positions for this one. That should be about right there. Comes down to there. Yeah. And map. We start at this point. And save. I think we can now do it. G save game. Oh my goodness, the things we have to do, guys. Did that save? Yeah, that's saving. Okay. Test the game. Right, here we are. So let's try and play this. Go across, and across, and across, and across, and boink. And we still can't climb anywhere because this won't go up anywhere. Oh! So we end. Right, so now we've got another problem because we can now climb up and come out the top. But that won't matter because we are eventually going to climb up to another position. Yeah, we're coming straight out there. That's okay. But we can go down to this one now, which is fine. There's nothing in here. We need to put some more objects in here, but at the moment, it's okay. So we're all right. Right. Save game. It has taken us an hour and a half to make Roland go up and down a ladder. But it works. And that's what counts. Now we can get on with the game. Now we can enjoy what we're doing. So, we've got to do a couple of things there. Sprite Positions. Not for this one. Previous, yeah, this is the one. Roland needs to start there. And that's it. Roland has to start there. Do we have an ability to clear screen? CLS. We need to clear the screen because I don't want bits of his hat and stuff turning up. The things you have to do. At least we know now. That's what counts. At least we know. Hello, Amsteriga. How are you doing? Where are we looking? We need to clear the screen. I'm sure there's a clear screen ability. It's got to be full jump wiki, custom deadly, screen up. Display. No. Display, color border. Sound, score. No. We're not coding a basic game. This is using arcade game designer, I think it's called. Collision. It's got to be. Where is the button for? Where's the option for clearing the screen? I'm sure we've had a clear screen button, like clear or something, isn't it? No. I don't think we've got a. Yellow Belly says CLS. Excellent. Right, that's what we're putting in. I want to clear the screen. Every time we move to a different screen, I want to clear it. Player control. Screen up. CLS. What if I put it there? CLS. Screen down is CLS. I don't want bits of him left on the screen, you see. And that's what we're getting at the moment. So let's leave that and then test the game. Right, it's done it, yeah. Blank. And over to this guy. Yeah. Down. Now I'm in. That's not right. That's not right. That's not right at all. Oh my goodness. Well, now we've got a Roland stuck in the corner. CLS seems to have wiped where we were entirely. Like, as in the X and Y positions are totally gone. That's no good at all. Okay, wow. Wow, that's... Okay. I'm just going to take that out. I'm just going to take that out again. We'll leave this... If his hat bits end up on it, then just leave it. Because it's better than this. Right. Which event is the left and right enemy? Is that 5? Can go right, can go left. Yes, it is. So we need type 5 for one of the enemies. Sprite Positions N for this one. That should be type 5. Okay. And test the game. And go down. Right. That enemy should now change direction. It does. It changes direction. Everything is working. So we've got a game that works now, and the enemies are moving correctly. And we've got the Jenny Kirk logo in there as well, and everything is happy. And we're okay. We're doing fine. We're doing fine. This is okay. Everyone's happy. Roland is doing well. So Amstragia says, I didn't know there was this kind of game maker on CPC. Yeah, Jonathan Caldwell. He made platform game designer and arcade game designer for the ZX Spectrum. He's also made arcade game designer for the Amstrad, and it's really good. Once you know what you're doing, we have had a lot of trouble today just getting Roland to go up and down, but there we are. It's working. So X, no, not X, E for events. What about this? Can go left and can go right. Where is it? But yeah, it's all working now. I still don't know why it has to be about the ladders. But there we go. But it seems to be working now. And now we know where it is. Oh my goodness. I'm going to change one more thing. I want that to be 8. No, I don't. No, I don't. I don't want to change anything, do I? That X equals 6. That's what I wanted to change. I want to see what happens with that. That's the final thing I want to try. And then we should be okay to make another, to put some objects in, and then make another screen. We should have time for that. Then we can get on properly for the next time. So he comes in there at the right position, goes up at the right position, and he's okay. Down. It comes in at the right position, go up at the right position. It's exactly where he needs to be. 8 is where he needs to be. Up and down and up. There we are. It's working out. Still leaving his hat, but look where he's coming in and coming out. Go up 1. Just 1. Yeah, he's fine. It's all working now. Right, save the game. G, save the game. That was hard work, says Yellow Belly. Yes, it was. I think I've already responded to that, but never mind. But it's exactly what we needed to do. We needed to know that we could do this. So I think O for objects, and we need to create a... Well, yes, we want a train. Copy the train. Create a new object. This is going to be object 7. We want a train. Yes. And we want to position this train. Where do we want this? On which screen? How do we change the objects? And why can't I see what's on the damn screen with the objects? It's very annoying for that. Sprite positions, no. Objects. Change starting screen. I should have... yeah, should have... Oh, not that one. Where... I'm losing my... I am so bad at this. Object start screen should be... What is it? Are we on just 5? Is that how it is? This is not the right one. I'll just leave the position there. That's fine. No, it's 3, isn't it? Position. I don't even know. Position. Test the game. Where on that screen is it now? We should actually switch the map. Map. Start on 3. Test the game. Where did it put that object? No, that's too far down. This is the problem with the objects. I don't like the way the object positioning system is done, because I can't see where they are. Test the game. There is the object. Right, that's okay for that object. But, just remembered one more thing. Main loop. We need to do the main loop. That is display score, isn't it? Where? No, I need to like display score or something. That's what we need. Show score. Okay. That should be show score. And this one should be lives. Because we forgot to change that back. Save. Hopefully this will work. Hello, Novabug. How you doing? Right, here's the score. So let's see if we can pick up that guy, and it should give us 100 points. And it does. So we've got the score working, the lives are working. Jump. Up. Go up, go up, go up. Roll and climb the damn ladder. And everything is working again. Although his hat is now stuck on the screen, which is very annoying. I don't like it when that happens. But we'll go with it because at least we've got that working now. Pudding bonus. We get a pudding bonus. Very nice. Boink and boink. Yeah. Doof. And it's all working. Right, we need to put some more objects in. We need some more presents. Where are the objects? What objects have we got? No, we don't want a computer. We don't want a pudding at the moment. Let's have that. Copy that. Create a new object. Yes. Paste that object. Yes. We'll have a different coloured present this time, though. Let's go for light blue, since we have to make every single object ourselves. And we can't just put in a pick-upable thingamajig, which is unfortunate, but what can you do? So there we are. Different coloured presents, same colour wrapping. There we are. Oh, hang on. Object, object, objects. Starting room is 3. Starting position, because still can't see where it is. Put it there, and let's test it. Nope, that's not the right place. Object. I don't get why this has to be like this. I really don't. That works. That's a nice position for that object. It's sat on the thing, but not quite. We'll have one more object on here. Actually, I want to change something. Let's have a block. Create a new block. Yes. Pen, ink, color. Let's go for... Is there a really dark green? No, there isn't. So we're going to have to go with a silly green. Right, that'll do. Actually, I'm going to fill all of this in like that. This is a block with different greens. Right. Like that. Blocks. What was that block? Is that set space? No, it's not. I don't want to set space. How do I change the type? How do I change the block type again? I've forgotten. Come on, blocks. Because I want it to be able to be something you can stand on. Where's the blocks? Screen layout, block, no block. How do I change the type? Block type. Block properties is Q and W. Okay. It's platform. Yes, I want it as a platform. Okay. And block. New block. Yes. As branch, basically. Come on. There you are. Looks a bit weird, but that'll work. Screen layout C. So I'm going to put some. Yes, that's the one I want. And now it's got this tree made out of ladders. It's got branches. Let's fill that in. Looks a bit daft, but it will work. Okay, let's fill this in. Come on, fill it in. Yes. And let's change some types again. We'll have some little oddities. A present in the tree here and there. Because this is Christmas land. And it makes no difference, but it'll look nice. So now we have to find the other bits. Yes, that is the block for the end. And it's daft. That will work. So now we've got some end of the tree. It's got a lot there. Okay. Now we should be able to actually stand in that tree, which is what I want. Test. Roland should be able to stand in the tree. Go down. Go across and across. And jump. He can now stand in the tree. Climb up. Nope! Roland! Roland! Do it properly, Roland. Come on. Go up. Yes, he can stand in the tree. Roland, you can stand in the damn... He can't stand... Because I've set the branches as spaces. Blocks. Yeah. Platform. Let's try that again. Instead of shouting at Roland and telling him off, let's try this again. And can he stand in... Yes, he can stand in there, and he can stand here. And now he can walk up the tree and then get around. This is exactly what we need. Whoa, he jumped quite high. Whoop, straight into the aircraft. But it's working, and that's what counts. Yes. So we're doing okay. This is going to work as a game. This is going. I still can't believe we have to use a thing to climb up the damn thing. Right, we could do with one more present in that room, I think. Yeah. There we go. So, that can work. And C for screen layouts. What I could really do with is having... Just heard that Paramount Plus are showing Discovery International this Friday. Yeah, I'll believe it when I see it. I know they've put out these messages, but I'll believe it when I see it. Right, where then? Can we copy the block colors and everything? The layout. Is it possible to change brightness and flash bit? No, it's not. We can't copy the block. Okay, so we can't do what I wanted to do, so we'll have to have a different kind of block then. Okay, X, create a block, yes. And it's going to be a different kind of barrier block, a different kind of wall. Because I think we need more than one type of wall. It's going to be a dark one, and change the pen colors, and let's see. That'll work. Blocks, forgot to change it to wall. There we go. Right, screen layout. Right, okay, where are we? Right at the top of here. I want those to be wall. Because it's about time we had different colours in a few places. That will work. And then when we go over to here, then the JK logo doesn't go through the top, and that's all I wanted to do. There we go. So there we are. Now it's fine, and it doesn't bounce around as much. There we are. So, actually, let's make this really, really evil and change that to a dark blue block as well, because then that gremlin goblin guy is going to be patrolling only the bit with floor, which is going to be more of a bit of trouble for him, isn't it, for everyone? So when you're trying to collect that train, it will be more problematic. Okay, guys, it's taken a long time to get this far, but I think we're starting to get somewhere now. We can go up and down, we can go left and right, we've got jumps, we're picking up objects, we've got different kinds of enemies with different animation types, which is very nice, and I like how we're doing it. So, I think that's all we need for the moment. I'm going to say good night, because save this first, of course. And I think hopefully we'll have a GameHammer on Friday. I am getting better with my leg to the point where I can actually start moving around and doing stuff again, like I said last week, in fact. But if I don't get the GameHammer finished, we'll be doing this again on Friday, making sure that we get more positions in the level in the game done, more screens, so that we can have this game ready for Christmas, because that's what it is. It's going to be a Christmas game. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have enjoyed this. If you have, remember to click that like button, share it with your friends so that they can see a game coming together. And oh my goodness, and a game designer who's going insane from all the stress. But I hope you have enjoyed it. Take care, guys. Have a great night. I'll see you later. Thanks for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.